Let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Ellipse. This is a really unique shaped bag. Matt affectionately calls it the tortoiseshell bag because it does kind of look like a turtle, but it is very unique, very different. If you're carrying this, you're definitely gonna stand out. Here's how it looks on. It is very trendy, very cutesy. I think it's very cool, and it holds so much stuff. This one comes in a few different sizes, and this is the largest size. Let me show you how much stuff you can fit on the inside. Look at this. It opens up so big, you can actually literally fit a bowling ball inside of there. So this is a really great if you carry a lot of things, your wallet, and then maybe even like an iPad could fit inside of here. So much stuff. This one is in generally really nice condition. The leather is actually just a really light patina on it. And then it's got this really nice leather piping that goes all the way around. This is a very popular style. It is discontinued, so you can only buy it secondhand. And the best part about it is it does have these little rings on the side of the tabs so that you can put a crossbody strap on. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you thought of this Louis Vuitton Ellipse bag.